Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you my Neato XV-21. It took actually 2 Neatos to get to this point. So, here is the first Neato, and I don't even know if it will power on. Let's see. It will power up, but it gives some error messages because it needs a new dirt bend sensor, a new LiDAR, new batteries, and new left wheel. But so far with the Neato, and it has a blank screen, and it's probably not even going to turn off. The Neato, I really like it. This one was free. This one I paid $35 for, and this one is perfectly working, knock on wood. And that's pretty much the saying I have with these vacuums is knock on wood, because this one was very unreliable. The only thing that's happened with this one so far is the left wheel had gone out. So I took the left wheel out of here and put it in here. But other than that, this has been working good. And what Neato, we're just going to call it Neato number 1 and Neato number 2. Neato number 1 came with the charging station, the rubber blade brush, and 2 new filters. This one is the old crusty one that was in it, and I have a brand new filter and all the manuals and everything. This one has the on-off switch in there. This one does not. And that's basically the only difference between them, except that there's some slight color differences. Here's the underside of both of them. This one is more worn and more used than this one. This one was in absolutely perfect condition, except the fact that it went under my kitchen counter and got a bunch of scratches. But it does work fine. I'm going to go ahead and stop it right here, because I'm just going to do the spot cleaning demo for you guys. But if you've never seen a Neato before, it has these settings. I accidentally hit back. Has these settings: spot clean, schedule, set clock, language, and support. With support, this is everything in it. And you can adjust the screen contrast. Also, with the screens on here, they are not that good. Look what happens when I increase. Very bad. But the XV series just has a whole bunch of problems. As for example, this Neato. But yeah, I'm just gonna do a spot clean demo. Alright, so if I go in here and select spot clean, it's going to do the spot clean. And I really like the way that it maps out a room. This one, Neato number 2, has slightly different mapping methods than Neato number 1. My first one would just map out the entire room and fill it in. This one breaks it up into different sections. But I like how it's not just random lines and patterns. I like how it knows what it's doing, it knows where it's been, and it knows where it needs to go. Unlike the Roombas, except the 960 and the 980. And a lot of other robotic vacuums. It just did the perimeter of the spot clean, and now it's going to go in columns. gonna finish up its last row. And one thing that I really like about the Neato is when it's done a spot clean, or if you put it in a room without starting it on its dock, it'll go back to the place it started and make a little chime. In conclusion, I really do like the Neato. I like the way it maps. I like its little chimes and warning messages to tell you if something's wrong or even if the bin is full. I just wish the XV series was a little more reliable. But thank you all for watching.